get it in. Yeah, I'm encrypted with the venom. Excuse me, I am crooked. I just slipped in crime ninja. Marijuana taste, that's my ganja. Tripping in like a ninja turtle up. No master splinter, paint a perfect picture. No Mona Lisa. Smoking her, smoking twisters. Popping pistols, wipe me like listen pieces like a piston. Freestyle fishing, yeah nigga, I leave you second guessing. Who you got testing? Yeah nigga, I'ma leave you breathless. No disrespecting, but I'ma teach you a lesson. Who wants to get teach? Who wants to get preached? I'ma fucking bury you underneath. They see me and I shine like Easy and I rap like Big E and I shine like Pop. Any nigga that wanna get pop, I'm just trying to get my guap on the block. Yeah, any nigga know that my money gets on the socks, but I'm selling rocks. Call the cops, nigga better run to my pops. Yeah, then I get the gun and then I shoot you. That's revenge. Yeah, nigga like a stone. Hands, yeah, I'm an angel, though I am trouble. Yeah, nigga, I'm coming through like Rambo, and I'm ready for a rumble. You ready to get tumbled? Yeah, I'm coming through like a bumblebee. I'm a sting. I'm like a legend, like Martin Luther King. Dark like Akon, nigga. I'm an icon, legend to you motherfuckers. Any of you busters wanna rhyme, nigga? I got the lyrics. I'm coming in super explicit. I got to tell you that I'm like the exorcist. I got your next twisting, and any bitches wanna get with it. I got the crime and I got the 9mm. That's my fucking heater. Papa the sailor man, yeah nigga. I need to make you understand that I'll be the underman. Yeah, I'm coming like an underdog. I hit you like a hot dog. Yeah, nigga, I'm hungry. I need food. Any nigga in my hood know it's good. Yeah, I'm like a lyrical incision. The 2 dots and the 2 positions. I'm just steady killing.
Freestyle? Yeah.